Hello and welcome to Quarantine Kitchen. Today we're going to make chocolate Oreo cake. This is part of our eggless cooking without oven. So let's get to cooking. So here I'm adding some refined flour, that is maida, 1.5 cup. Instead of baking soda, I am adding 1 tablespoon of ENO. So here I am adding 2 tablespoons of baking powder to make cake soft and to give a different and fluffy look to the cake. Here I am using Wakefield cocoa powder. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to make your cake look more tasty and more chocolatey. Continue sieving all the ingredients in a large vessel. Continue mixing all the ingredients. Don't use hand, do it with a spoon. So in another vessel I have taken 1 cup powdered sugar, half cup curd, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and half cup of refined oil. Now mix the batter continuously for 5 minutes till it becomes puffy, and afterwards add the batter to the rest of the ingredients. So here I am adding the batter to the ingredients. Now just give a fold to the batter like I am doing for 5 minutes continuously, and you can use 1/4 cup of milk. Like here I am using 1/4 cup of milk to the batter. Here I am adding some amount of salt to the base of the pressure cooker. Place a stand over it. Now preheat the pressure cooker for 5 minutes on a medium flame and remove the whistle. Apply the oil on the sides and base of the vessel where you want to bake the cake. As you can see, my material is a little slimy and sluggish, and pour into the vessel. Turn on the flame to medium and close the lid and let it be cooked for 35 to 40 minutes. So here I am using simple cream which is easily available from any of the dairy. Here I am using 250 ml of the cream. Now I am adding 1 cup of powdered sugar. Whisk continuously for 15 to 20 minutes till it becomes fluffy. So here after 35 to 40 minutes my cake is ready. For icing the cake, cut the cake into two parts. Pour some whisk cream on it. Do it slowly and smoothly. Sprinkle some of the crushed Oreo on the base of the cake, and afterwards keep another base on it and keep it in freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. The cake is ready to eat without egg and without using microwave oven.